Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 64 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science, and today we discuss about the chemical formula. Gyan asked Jigyasa Didi, how do we write the chemical formula? Jigyasa reply, now what is a chemical formula? A chemical formula of a compound is a symbolic representation of the composition. We need to know the symbols and valency and the number of ions taking part in the formula, and a chemical formula gives us the information about the elements, the number of atoms. What are the different steps to write a chemical formula? First, we have to know the symbols. If we have symbols, then we easily write the formula. Second, write the valency. Thirdly, crisscross the valencies, and fourthly, write the valency of second as the subscript of first and the valency of first as the subscript of second. See here student, if you have to write the formula of hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen is H, sulfide, the symbol is S. Now second step, write the valency. The valency of hydrogen is 1, valency of hydrogen is 2. The third step, finally crisscross their valencies, and after crisscross we get the formula, that is H2S. Okay. Second one, the formula of carbon dioxide. Carbon, symbol is C, oxide, symbol is O. Valency of carbon is 4 and valency of oxide is 2, and after crisscross we get CO2. Similarly, the formula of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen symbol H, chloride is Cl. Valency of hydrogen 1, valency of chloride 1, and after crisscross we get HCl. Next is the formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium symbol is Mg, chloride is Cl. Valency of Mg is 2, valency of chloride is 1. After crisscross we get MgCl2. And the last one, the formula of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, valency is 2, also 2. After crisscross we get CaO. Okay student. Now rules to write the formula. First, valency of ions must be balanced. Second, the symbol of the metal written first means on the left side, and in case of polyatomic ions use the brackets. Now move on towards the formula of ionic compounds. First, sodium carbonate. So sodium is an element, so we write the left hand side and carbonate on the right hand side. The valency of sodium is 1 and the valency of carbonate is 2, and after crisscross we get the formula of the compound, that is Na2CO3. So student, there is a question in your mind that from where you get the valency of the carbonate. So there is a table in your book, NCERT book provided, with polyatomic ions, monoatomic, biatomic, triatomic, all type of ions are present in that table with their valency. So you can go through that table to learn about the ionic valencies. Next is aluminium sulfate student. So this is aluminium, valency is 3. For sulfate it is 2. So the formula is Al2 SO4 3. So it is polyatomic ion, so we use brackets here. Similarly, we use brackets in magnesium hydroxide, ammonium sulfate and calcium hydroxide. Now let's do the exercise. What does the chemical formula of a compound represent? So it is a symbolic representation student. So it is the answer of your first question. Second question. Write the chemical formula of calcium chloride. So we write here the formulas. What is the formula of calcium chloride? That is CaCl2. Secondly, magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. Thirdly, water, H2O. And the next is aluminium chloride, AlCl3. Write the formula of the compound formed by the following set of the atom from nitrogen and hydrogen. So from nitrogen and hydrogen we form NH3. From nitrogen and oxygen we form NO2, N2O and N2O3. And the last one, from calcium and oxygen we form calcium oxide, that is CaO. Write the example of positive and negatively charged ion. So positive charged ions are our sodium, calcium. Negatively charged ions are our chloride negative and sulfur. And student, you have get the ions from the table given in your NCERT book. I can go through, I can give you this table. Please go through that table in your NCERT book. Just have a look of the table, student. Here this is the table in your NCERT book. You can write here the different ions, their symbols and their valencies from that table. Okay student, I think this worksheet is clear up to you, and if you like that worksheet, please share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more updates about the worksheets. Thank you.